Blobtowners! Well, that's a good start to this video. Hey, I wanted to give a quick update on the status of the new release that should come out in a couple of weeks here. I know it's been a while, so I figured I'd make a little video walking through the new stuff. Walking through some of the new stuff. This is all really rough here, but yeah, I figured it's better than nothing. So a couple things here. I'm going to add a player board where you can see the user. If they're talking, you can mute them, and then I'm in here by myself, but if you have multiple people, they will show up here, and then you can have a reporting system too, where we can report inappropriate content or just content that breaks the Blobtown rule. So hopefully that will be a good addition. As you can see here, I'm on Blob Island. This is not where this world map is going to be, but I just wanted to show this. This is going to be the new way of world building. So instead of having lobbies or just random rooms that you have to find, there's going to be the central world map. And you can see one cell is already has been purchased, and I can go visit and edit. We'll do that in a second. But it's basically you have a bunch of cells that you can purchase for Blobium. I think it's going to be similar to other titles where you get rewards for logging in. So there's a way to obtain Blobium without paying for it, but monetization will come soon, so you can buy Blobium. That's how I hope to make some money off this whole thing and continue working on it. But rest assured that there will always be a way to get this without paying real money, so we don't kill the fun for people who don't want to pay or can't pay. Anyways, I already purchased this one, so there's an edit mode or visit mode. Only editors can go into the edit mode. There's nothing really in here. We're going to pop in here. Just check it out. Nothingness, development environment, but basically it's going to be just a sky environment where you can start building out your world and have other people come visit. This is not this is like a somewhat of a limited volume. I mean, it's I think 50 by 50 meters or something like that, where you can build. So there's some limitation. Hopefully in the future this will just become more of a persistent world, but this is for now, or a continuous world where you can go from cell to cell. But for now, this is just cells that you can go to from here, and obviously you can kind of see what's being built in what place. So we'll test this out, see how it goes, see how people like it. I think it'll be better for people to discover than rooms that are part of a list, so it's a little bit more physical. And then the last thing is the physical body. I'm not sure if this is going to come out with this release, but you can see these little blobbies here floating with me, and this is basically part of my physical body, so you can see I can interact with things, and it reacts with the environment. In the past we just had this grabbing, so right now I'm just grabbing this object. I will probably remove that. This is basically you can climb on everything, and replace this with this physical body, so it can be a little bit more, just gives you more options to make cool, interesting worlds. And you can see over here, I could climb up this wall here. I mean, right now I can just hold on, but with this physical body, I would actually have to hold on to these pieces, and it makes it a little bit more challenging. Also, we can play with material properties like friction, so we can have slippery objects or very sticky objects. And then the thing that I'm maybe even more excited about is, and this is not quite ready to show yet, but if you make a sword or a weapon, it will become physical too. So then if you hit another object, and again, I'm just illustrating this is not actually implemented, but it's kind of the same idea that you have with this physicality. We can calculate the weight of the object, and then the density of the thing you're hitting the other object with, and deal damage and destroy stuff. So we can, when you build a weapon, arrow, or a hammer or something, it actually has physical properties more, other than just looking cool. If you have a giant hammer, you can assume it will do a lot of damage if you're hitting something, but it's also going to be really heavy. So anyways, I think that will open up a lot of gameplay mechanics that will be cool. Okay, I think that's about it. This is still really messy here, but we are getting close to a release. The web app, this will also change a bunch in the next couple of weeks, but obviously the store is going to go live, and the new inventory, and hopefully we'll have fewer crashes. I'll have to make all of this nice, so the world map is going to have its own spot somewhere where it's going to look a little bit nicer than just a floating square. But yeah, let me know what you think. If you have feedback, just want to let you guys know that I'm working hard on this, and I'm excited for this release to get to y'all.